You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is z greater than 8/3 greater than 22/3. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 2/3 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is z greater than 8/3 greater than 22/3.